the MX-T4CB might be a fun little party speaker for your outdoor entertainment. Hey guys, how's it going? Justin here from Waltz, and today we're talking about this guy. Awesome little Bluetooth speaker. Well, I shouldn't say it's little because it's pretty large, and quite honestly, I really like the design. Now, if you haven't already seen the video that we did on the MX-T40, it's a very similar speaker, but it's a little bit different because it has a little bit more power than this one. However, this one does have 2-channel speakers rather than just center bi-directional, so it's a different sound, and honestly, I really like this one. When it comes to connecting this, you can use this through Bluetooth, which is probably the most preferred option, or auxiliary if you don't mind leaving your phone next to it, and it has a left and right in and out RCA jacks. Something I really do like about this speaker is the fact that this is a battery operated speaker, but it can also be used as a powered speaker if you wanted to just leave it plugged in so you didn't have to worry about that battery life. As far as battery life, 12 hours is what it's rated for, and I mean, that's pretty good if you ask me, at least if you're entertaining. I doubt you're going to have anybody at your house for more than 12 hours in that backyard or wherever you decide to hook this up. Now, hey, you got to talk about RGB because that's my favorite thing, and as you can see, or have you been looking at the speaker at all during this video, it has a great set of RGB lighting on both sides, and you can put this into different modes depending on how you want it to look. I really like the pulsing mode where it follows as the music is going, but it doesn't just stop there. Something that's also really cool is the fact that when you power it on or off, it makes this cool sound and does a little bit of a lighting effect. I'll show you guys that right here.
This out when you power it on. Watch this. And then as soon as you power it off, you get that same effect.
And that's just a feature that is very small, but it makes a big difference. Now, this speaker is going to be IPX5 rated, which is weather resistant to dust and water. So it's not waterproof, but it is weather resistant. If it were to get splashed by the pool, you should be totally fine. Oh, and if you guys are enjoying the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It really does help me out. Now, the MX-T4CB is actually pretty cool because you can hook this up to 10 other Samsung Tower speakers. And by doing that, you're using the group play function, which is super cool. So if you're to buy a couple of these, you can lay these out all around your yard and have them all connect together. Now, if you download the Sound Tower app, you can control the lighting and the music, and it's simple and super fun to use, and you can even adjust the EQ. Now, you guys also might be a little bit confused based on this model, the MX-T4CB and the T40B, which they're both pretty much the same speaker. This one's going to come with 20 less watts, but overall it's not a huge difference and you do get huge savings, so keep that in mind. Now, as far as usability, you're going to have a nice little handle on the back that makes it really easy to hold it, bring it around wherever you want to place it, and also some buttons on the top to help you control it if you don't have the remote, which it does have a remote. So yeah, basically you can control this through your remote, you can control this through the remote through the smartphone, or the buttons on the top, and it's overall just a great product. Now, if this is something that would interest you, I recommend you visit our website, and I'll leave the link for this specifically in the description. We always offer the best competitive pricing, but it's just overall really cool speaker. With that being said, I think that's gonna wrap up this video. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments section. If you enjoy the video, like and subscribe as always, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys so much for making it to the end of the video. If this is a product that you're interested in, make sure to email me at youtube@waltz so I can get you a special YouTube discount. If you haven't already, subscribe for more videos like these, and we'll see you in the next one.